Good evening, all. If my voice is clear, okay, then we'll start the session, today's session. As I have said in some document in the WhatsApp group, have you gone through it? Have you gone through the previous class, which I have shared in the WhatsApp group, the document? Okay, first of all, we will have a recap about what we have discussed yesterday, and then we will continue the today's session. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, first of all, I will open the document which I have shared yesterday in the WhatsApp group. Okay, can we start? If you have any doubts regarding any topic, kindly chat in the WhatsApp in the chat box. I will explain. Okay, first of all, I will continue with the topic. This is the what we have discussed yesterday's class, like what is the structure of the HTML document, how to start the HTML, and then how to insert image, and then text formatting, and then links, and then we have discussed some of the input fields, how to add text, how to add calendar, how to add time, and then other stuff. First of all, we will have a brief recap about what we have discussed yesterday. Like we have discussed like what is doc type, declares the document type and HTML version. It declares that the we are currently using HTML5 by including doc type as HTML, and then HTML tag is the root element. As you can see, without this HTML tag we cannot able to write the HTML page. In between this act like a container. In between this particular HTML tags we will include all the other tags. This HTML tag will act as a parent tag. In between this HTML tag we will write all the other tags in between this HTML. So it is known as root element. And then we have discussed about head tag. Head tag also a container. It is also a container but not displayed on the page. The head tag in the head tag we include only meta tags, styles and scripts which cannot be able to show you in the web page, but in the head we include title. As I have shown yesterday, if you include a title, you will be seeing the title in the top of the web browser. As you can able to see, I have make the this particular web page title as HTML tags and input types. So it is showing the page title as HTML tags and input type examples. As you clear about head tag, and then meta tags. In the head tag we include the meta tags for SEO purpose, and then we include for viewport settings and more in the help of meta tag. And then link, with the help of link we include the css and javascript into the particular file. Here I have discussed like we can include the headings with the help of h1 to h6. As you can able to see that variation between h1 and h6. For h1 we will use for main title, h2 we will use for section title, and then h3 for subsection, and continues h4 and h5 h6. We have heading tags up to h6 as you can able to see. And then we have paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is nothing but which will indicated in the p tag, where you can able to write some paragraph content. And then we have discussed about div. Div is nothing but a block. It will include like it act like a block. Div will act like a block. In between this div you can include some more tags. If you apply any styles to the particular tag, it will apply all tags which are in between that particular div. Is this clear? As you can able to see, this is heading tag, and then this is paragraph tag, which is included in between div. This is a div. As you can able to see, this is a container. In between this container I have a heading and then a paragraph tag. If I apply any styles, it will be applicable for the particular heading and then the paragraph, because it has been merged like a div. As you can able to see, span is also a container, but you use inside a particular tag, inside a particular paragraph. If you take any paragraph tag, you can include the span tag. You can able to see this is a paragraph. This is a paragraph. For this particular paragraph I am making this particular content as in red color. You can able to see this particular content in red color. With the help of span we can make within the particular tag, you can make that particular content into different type. This is known as span. This is clear the difference between the div and span. And then comes the break tag. As you know, like if you use break tag, it will cut the particular thing into two parts. Wherever you use the div, it will cut the continuation into two halves. You can able to see first line and second line. If you I have used in the this is a particular paragraph. In this particular paragraph I have make the br tag over here. I have make the br tag over here, so it has been cut the particular paragraph into two parts. Is this clear about the break tag? And then hr tag will create a horizontal line. Hr tag will create a horizontal line. As you can able to see, I have used hr, so it has been created a horizontal line over here. By using hr tag you can able to create a horizontal line. This clear? Then comes the image tag. As somebody has doubt like what is attribute and then something, before going to into this particular image tag I will clarify what is attribute, and then how to use attribute, and then what is the uses of attribute. Then we will come to image tag. First of all we will discuss about what is attribute, then we will come into particular image tag and then anchor tags and then other stuff. Okay. As you can able to see, as you can able to see, let us discuss about what is attribute and all. As you can able to see, these are the topics which I have discussed in previous class. Let us discuss what is an attribute. As so many of you have any doubt regarding, in yesterday class I have said like in the in anchor tag we use attributes, in the image tag we use attributes like src, alt. These are all known as attributes. First of all we will discuss what is an attribute, and then we will go into the particular concept. What is an attribute? You can able to see, if you attributes nothing but provides extra information into the particular tag. Like for image, if you take any image tag, it will apply some styles. You can able to see where if you need any sizes, like for the particular image, if you need styles like if you want width or height. Height is known as attribute, width is known as attribute. These are all known as attributes. If you provide any attribute, it will make in changes to the particular tag. Is this clear? It will make changes to the particular tag. Attributes nothing but provides extra information to the particular tag. Okay, you can able to say where do they go. Where do they go in the sense where we should apply this particular attributes. The attribute should be placed inside the opening tag. For example, if you have any image tag will start with img. Before after that particular img, you should place the attribute. For the format, the attribute format should be attribute name and then the value for the particular attribute. For example, yeah, attributes can be say as properties as well. As you can able to see, attribute name and then the value. As you can able to see, the as somebody said, attributes are also known as properties, as we can able to see say, because for the particular tag we are applying some properties like width, height, and then other formats, color, and then other, by using this particular attribute. So there's this also known as properties as well. The format for defining the particular attribute will be attribute name and then the value. These attributes will be key value pairs. Attribute name will be key and then the value will be the particular value, key value pairs. And then the attributes will be mainly of two types, like global attributes and then specific attributes. For everybody, is my voice is check once. Is my now also is my voice is not audible? Voice is breaking. Still is my voice is breaking. Wait for a second. I will rejoin the session. Let us come to the particular topic.
Let us
We
come
have
to the
discussing this
particular topic
particular
as
image
we
tag.
have discussing this
As you
particular
can able to
image
see,
tag.
this
As you can
src,
able to see,
alt, width
this
height,
src,
border.
alt, width,
These are all
height,
known
border,
as
these are all known
for
as
this purpose. I
attributes.
have been
For this
said about
purpose, I
what is
have
an
been
attribute,
said about
and then
what is
what is
an
the uses
attribute
of
and then
attribute,
what is the
how to
uses of
use
attribute,
attribute, and
how
all.
to use attribute and all.
And then somebody
And
asked
then
like
somebody
how
asked
to
like how to
take the direct
take the
URL,
direct URL,
direct image URL
direct
from the
image URL from
website.
the
Let me show
website.
you.
Let me show you.
Let us open the
Let us open the
website. This is
website.
the official
This is
website
the
of this
official website
particular
of this particular
company.
company.
For this particular
For
image,
this
if you want
particular
this
image, if
particular
you want this
image
particular
URL,
image
just
URL,
right click
just right click
on the particular
on
image
the particular image Then open image in a new tab. Just click open image in a new tab. You can able to get the image in the particular new tab. You can able to when you click Ctrl S, you can able to save the particular document wherever you need. You can use this particular URL directly in the image tag to showcase the particular image. Is this clear? Let me show you. Just I have been copied this particular URL. I will paste the URL in the image tag. IMGSRC. I have just placed the image. Then the alternate text something. When I save and then open the output, you can able to see the image over here. Is this clear? Even you can able to get the image with the help of just click Control Shift I, Control Shift I. Just click Control Shift I. Then you can able to see a arrow mark over here. Arrow mark at the top, and just click on the particular arrow mark. Then hover wherever you want. Just hover which place you want. Just I want this particular image. Just hover on the particular image. Just click. Then you can able to see the code which has been used for this writing this particular tag, where you can able to see IMGSRC, where you can able to get the image. Just click on this particular, get the URL over here. Is this clear? How to get a URL? Then text formatting. We have discussed about this text formatting. So many tags which have been using. When you use I tag, the text will be visible in this particular italic format. Where we use this particular I in the sense, we use this particular I italic for the technical terms, foreign phrases, etc. For this purpose, we use italic tag. If you place B, you can able to see the text in the bold text. You can able to see this is example. The text will be visible in bold. And then when you use strong, the text will be visible in strong format. And then EM, empathized text. For special cases, we use EM. And then subscript, we have discussed about this particular subscript in the previous class. When you want something below the particular text, you can use the subscript tag. If you want superscript, you can use SUP tag. Then small. This is a paragraph. This is also paragraph, but this particular thing has been used printed with the help of small tag. You can able to see a difference between these two. By using small tag, the text will be appear smaller than as usual. Then if you use del, which is delete, between the if you place any place, if you place any text in between the del tag, the text will be striked. Is this clear? Delete tag. Then abbreviation tag. When you use abbreviation tag, when you hover on the particular thing, you will able to get the abbreviation of the particular tag. You can able to see when I hover on the particular HTML, you can able to see the abbreviation of the particular tag, which is hypertext markup language. By using this particular abbreviation tag, you can make the text into particular this format. Is this clear? If you have any doubts, kindly reply so that I can explain one more time. No need to hesitate directly. You can place the message in the chat box. Then code, if you place code tag, your visibility will be in this particular format. For code snippets, use this particular code tag. Then for highlighting the particular text, we use mark tag. when you place anything in between the mark tag, your text will be visible in this particular highlighted format. And then we have so many, and then anchor tag. And then in the yesterday class we have discussed about this particular input types, like how to include a calendar, and then how to insert date and time, just month, then week, then time. Is this clear about this particular input types? Now we will discuss some more input types. Then we will go into the particular list and then the tables in the HTML. Okay, can we proceed? This is what we have discussing yesterday. Up to time we have discussed. Now let us have so many. For example, if you place input type as search, input type as search, when you place input type as search, you can able to see a empty text field. When you type something, you can able to see a cross mark over in the input field. When you click, it will remove the text from the input field. By placing input type as search, you place anything, it will get a cross mark. When you click the particular cross mark, your entire text will be removed. It is clear. Now, if you place input type as color, just input type as color, you can able to see a black box when where you can able to select the color, whichever color you want. You can able to select the particular color by using input type as color. Just by placing input type as color, you can able to get this particular format. And then you can able to choose the color from various places by placing this particular pencil button. Just click on this particular pencil, then hover wherever which color you want. If you want this particular orange, just place on this particular orange. You can able to get the particular color. Is this clear? You can able to get the color in RGB format or HSL format or HEX format. You can able to get the colors in three different formats: RGB, HSL, and then HEX. This is clear. Then we have input type as range. If you place input type as range, you can able to get a range selector. You can able to get a range selector if you use input type as range. For rating purpose, you can use this particular type of input, like star rating. If you want to provide from 1 to 100, if you want to provide any rating, you can use this particular type of sliders. Is this clear? I have nothing writing anything, styles or other thing. Just I have writing simple HTML. These are all inbuilt functions in the HTML. Just you have to learn this particular HTML inbuilt functions. After that, you can apply CSS to this particular to make it more attractive and then interactive. Is this clear? Then we have input type as checkbox. For this particular input type, when you place input type as checkbox, you can able to get a checkbox over here. Just by clicking on the particular checkbox, you can able to see the difference. Just I have placed input type as checkbox, and then input type as radio. You can see this is input type as radio. For wherever, for example, in case of when you, as you can able to see in the form, when you select your gender, there will be three options. Like for we place radio options. For selecting single option, we use radio options. Let me show you. For this kind of questions, we use radio buttons. The user should select only one thing from this particular male or female. But the checkboxes are in a format like where you can able to select multiple answers. For that case, we use checkboxes. For single of the answer, we use radio buttons. Is clear? Is this clear? Hello, I need response from everybody so that the class will be more interactive. Okay, then we have some buttons. As you can able to see, we have button type as submit. At the same format, we have different type of buttons. Just input type as button, and then button type as clear. We have three types of buttons such as, which is reset button, then button, then the submit button. Just a button. I will show you the difference between the button type as submit, button type as button, then button type as reset. First of all, I will show you the result. As you can able to see, there are three buttons. As you can able to see, button type as submit, button type as button type as reset. When I select something and then I'll type something and then I have selected some time. When I try to submit, the form will be submitted with the help of this particular submit button. You can able to see the button type doesn't do any functionality. Just it is a button. This is looks like a button but doesn't do any functionality if you place button type as button. If you make button type as submit, it will make the functionality of submitting the form. If you make the button type as submit, it will perform some functionality like submitting the form. If you place button type as button, just it is a button but doesn't perform any functionality. Is this clear about the difference between
Yes.
button and submit? Then finally reset. When you click this particular reset button, your entire form will become reset. When you click, the entire filled information will be vanished. When you say something, I have selected different colors and then ranges, then something. When I try to click the particular reset button, your entire form will become reset. Is this clear about the reset button? As I have discussed all the type of inputs from yesterday and today, we have discussed all the inputs. By tomorrow, try to make a form with the help of all the input fields. By including all the input fields, create a form. Is this clear? Try to make a form with all the input fields. Now we will discuss about list. List is nothing but it will organize the data. It will organize the information. The list is divided into three parts, three types. The list is divided into three types, such as unordered list, ordered list, and then description list. We have list in three formats, which is unordered list, ordered list, and then description list. I will showcase you difference between unordered list, ordered list, and then the description list. First of all, I will briefly explain what is unordered list, ordered list, and then the description list. First of all, unordered list. Unordered list is nothing but order is in this particular unordered list. The order is not important. The order is not important. The when you place the elements in list, you can able to see the elements in bullet points. These are these are known as unordered list. I will show you a simple example. In the next slide, we have some example. Let us take this is unordered list. Just let us try to build over here below the form. Let us create unordered list. Unordered list is nothing but UL. In this particular UL, some fruit names have defined three fruit names. As you can able to see in the unordered list, we have apple, banana, and then mango. The list will be indicated with the help of LI tag. You can able to see LI is nothing but list. We are discussing about unordered list. So UL. UL is nothing but unordered list. When I save and try to run, you can able to see apple, banana, and then mango in bullet points. Is this clear about unordered list? Then we will move with ordered list. Ordered list will be defined with OL. In the VS Code, we have some shortcut keys. Let us, I need some three list. For that, LI, I need three. So, star three, just click LI star three, then press enter. You can able to get three LI items. I will make same apple, banana,
mango.
and then mango.
When I try to run,
When I try to
you
run,
can able to see
you can able to
order
see
will be
order list will be
indicated with the help of
indicated with the
order.
help of
One,
order.
two,
One,
three.
two,
You can
three.
able to
You
change
can
the
able to
order
change the order
by placing
by
some types.
placing
I
some
will show
types.
you
I
all
will
the
show
types.
you all the types.
This is
This
ordered
is
list. This is
ordered list.
unordered
This
list.
is
It is
unordered
clear
list.
about
It
difference
is clear
between
about difference
ordered and
between
unordered
ordered
list.
and unordered,
Unordered list and then
unordered list, and then
ordered list.
ordered list.
Now, if you
Now,
want
if you
this
want
particular
this
order
particular order
in
in
particular format, like
particular format,
I
like
need
I
apple with
need
A,
apple with
banana with
A,
B,
banana with
mango with
B,
C.
mango with
If you need
C.
this
If you
particular
need this
format,
particular format,
in
just
the order
in
list,
the
you have
order
to
list, you
place
have to
type
place
as
type as
type
type
as
as
A. If you
A.
place capital
If
A,
you place capital
the
A, the
order list will be
order list will be
in the particular
in the particular
capital letters.
capital letters.
If you want
If you want
in small
in small
alphabets, just place
alphabets, just
small a.
place small a.
If you want in
If you
Roman
want
numbers,
in
just
Roman
place
numbers,
small a.
just place small a.
If you want
If you want
in Roman numbers
in
with
Roman
capital,
numbers with capital,
just place capital
just
I.
place capital I.
This is a
This
attribute.
is
Type
a
is
attribute. Type is
attribute
a
over here.
attribute over here.
You can able to see
You can able to
the
see
ordered list with
the ordered
small
list
letter,
with
small alphabets,
small
then
alphabets,
small
then
Roman
small
numbers, and
Roman
then
numbers,
different
and
numbers.
then different Roman
This
numbers.
is clear about
Is this
order
clear
list
about
and
order
unordered
list
list.
and unordered list?
Then we have
Then we
description list.
have description list.
List is
Description is
nothing
not
but
list
we
is
will
nothing but
indicating
we will
term
indicating
and the
term and then
description
the
with the help of
description with the help of
description list. The
description
description
list.
list will
The
be
description list will be described with the
defined with
help
the
of
help of
defined with the
DL
help
tag.
of DL tag.
As you can able to see,
As you can
unordered
able
list
to
with
see,
UL,
unordered list with
order list
UL,
with OL,
order list with
then
OL,
description list with
then description
DL.
list with DL.
Let us show you an
Let
example.
us show you an example.
Here you have to
Here you
understand
have to
some different
understand some different
some concept
some
like
concept like
DT and then
DT and
DD.
then
We
DD.
use
We
DT
use
and
DT and
DD
then DD, which is
subtags
subtags
in the
in
DL
the
tag.
DL tag,
DT in the
which is
sense
DT in the sense
description,
description,
description title,
description
and then
title,
the
and then
description
the
about the
description about the
particular list.
particular list.
Let me show you
Let me
example.
show you example.
This is the
This
title
is
of the
the title
particular
of the
list,
particular
and then the
list,
this is
and
the
then the this
description
is
of
the
the
description of the particular
list.
list.
This is title,
This
then
is title,
description.
then the
This is
description. This is
description list.
description list.
It's clear about the
Is clear
description
about
list
the
and the
description
order
list
list.
and the order list and unordered list.
With the help of
With the
description
help
list, we
of
will
description
showcase
list, we will showcase
the title and
the
description.
title and description separately.
You can make
You can
nested
make nested
list
list
also
also
with the
with
help
the
of
help
this
of this
particular
particular
elements.
list elements.
Let me show you
Let me show
list.
you
Inside the OL,
inside the
make
OL. I will make
another list.
another list.
This particular
This
OL,
particular
I will make
OUL.
this
I will
particular
make this
list.
particular.
Is clear.
Is clear.
Now,
Now,
now we will discuss
now we
about
will discuss about
some other topic.
some other topic.
If you have any doubt,
If you have any doubts, now rise in the particular comment section. Now I will clear. If you have any doubts regarding this particular up to what we have discussed, if you have any doubts regarding this particular session, kindly reply in chat box. I will try to resolve it. Yeah, I will upload the recorded session by today in the YouTube. I will share the link in the WhatsApp group so you can able to go through it one more time. In some special cases, we should use DT and DD. In many cases, we neglect DT and DD. In special cases, we use DD so that we have that format as well. Now we will discuss about tables in HTML. Let us discuss some theory part about what is table and then we will wind up the session. It is already 8. First of all, we will discuss some theory part. By tomorrow, we will be creating a table and then adding data into this particular table. Can anybody have any idea about what is a table? Yeah, somebody said like tables are used for arranging the data. Yes, tables are used to organize the data in the format of rows and columns. Tables are used to organize the data in the format of rows and columns. This is the definition of what is a table in the sense. Table is used to organize the data in the format of rows and columns. Is this clear? Table is nothing but used to organize the data in the format of rows and columns. As you know, like in that particular table, we have rows and columns. It will organize the data in the format of rows and columns is known as table. In this particular table, the table tag we use to organize the data. In the table tag, we have table body and then the table header. It is clear. By tomorrow, we will be discussing about structure, how to make table in upcoming session. We have so many concepts in that particular table, row span, call span, all concepts we will be discussing by tomorrow.